Alright guys, what is going on? Mo with Auto Addicts USA, and I am super excited to show you what we're going to be doing. Such a minor upgrade, but it's going to change the whole car on this beautiful S550. The customer is in with a cool upgrade on the headlights, adding the S650 upgraded headlights to make sure that this car is equipped with a very aggressive bright LED headlights that deserves to be seen on the road. Let's go ahead and get started and show you guys how to take off pretty much all the components on the front bumper with the screws and show you how to install the headlights, because we've gotten a bunch of calls and emails for you guys to see officially what we do to install our S650 headlights, whether you got the 15 to 17 or the 18 and up Mustang S550. Without further ado, let's get started. I'll see you guys when the bumper is off. All right guys, as you can see, we're getting ready to get the install ready, but these are the S650 headlights for your 15 to 17 Mustang S550. We also make the 18 and up, 18 to 23 as well, no problem. But as you can see, you got the S650 design replicated for your S550. Mod it, break it, fix it. Plug and play application. There's only one wire that you have to splice, which is straight to your parking lights. As you can see, the customers right now is equipped with some aftermarket running parking lights. That's not a problem at all. We're going to determine which is the turn signal harness that we're going to splice it into the OEM factory harness, not the aftermarket parking signals. So no matter what, we're always going to be splicing to the factory harness to make sure our turn signal Sequential is fully equipped to working without any troubleshooting whatsoever. I am super stoked, guys. I love these headlights. They're super bright, much way better than the OEs as well. Let's spice up this S550 with Auto Addicts lighting on the road. You can see here is the OEM passenger headlight versus the Auto Addict S650 headlights that we just equipped our client with. Now, what we're doing and that we want to show you, if you guys want to get a closer look, our tech right now is currently going to install the turn signal wires. Now, you're going to question yourself, why do we have 3 wires? Well, the first thing is we sell this product in the USA market Mustang and the European overseas Mustang as well, and their harnesses are a little bit different than the USA S550. So 2 of these wires that you can see, one says USA and the other one says Europe, you don't want to touch. So all we do is legit just splice this yellow wire into the factory parking harness turn signal, which is it's going to be the yellow one, the 2-tone black and yellow. That's going to be for the passenger. For the driver's side, it'll be the other 2-tone color, which I'll show you guys as well. So that way you guys have a clear idea of what goes with the yellow wire when it comes to splicing to your parking signals. As you can see, we're putting these away. There's no usage for them because it's a USA Mustang, obviously. Now, if we ship this out to our European clients, they'll obviously won't use the USA wire and they'll use our European wires. All right, guys, so as you can see, he's getting that wire ready right now. Oh, okay, we're gonna go ahead and turn on the turn signal to see which one is left and right so we can go ahead and show you guys. Okay, guys, as you can see right now, we have the amber turn signal sequential functionality and our top DRLs. So it's a 2 switchback function to where it does amber turn signal, and if he lets go of it, it goes back to the white DRL. That's what we call a switchback functionality on a headlight. And then you got the main DRL right around the lighting of the low beam and high beam, full white LED panels. Alrighty guys, so for the 15 to 17, when it comes to splicing to your wire, it's gonna be the 2-tone yellow and brown or blackish dark color. So this is gonna be the wire that you're gonna splice into right here. That's gonna allow the turn signal to be sequential on your S550 headlights when you put it on your S550. Alrighty guys, the S650 headlights on this beautiful S550 GT is amazing, guys. Such a brand new aggressive facelift to allow the car to give it a brand new appearance and be super bright with our LED panels, such as the DRLs on the top and all the DRLs right on the bottom. Now, the headlights are equipped with 2 low beam projectors and then 3 full-on function high beams. And let me show you guys the turn signal sequential option. And there you guys have it. As you can see, both driver and passenger headlights is allowing the car to amber turn signal sequential, which is the pretty much a really famous touch in the European style taillights, and we wanted to equip that with the front. As you can see, also his parking lights match his headlights. I think it's super cool. It's an awesome detail touch that makes the car really stand out on the road. Let's go ahead and finish assembling the bumper and putting back all the screws that requires this bumper to be, which is a bunch of 7mm, 8mm, and a 10mm to install everything on top and bottom. But I hope this video allowed you guys to see a vision of how to wire the parking light turn signal, and obviously everything else is plug and play to the harness of your OEM headlight. Give this video a thumbs up, stay tuned. There might be a potential new mod with this car. I've been kind of speaking with the owner about really cool things, so he might be taking his car to the next level within the next couple months or so, but we're not gonna know that till he makes that final decision. But make sure you check out his car on our social media. We'll be posting photos and videos all over Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you guys for your support with Auto Addict USA, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.